What is going on, traders? Welcome for another video. So today I'm going to share with you the best way how you can trade any kind of asset and then you become profitable. So I'm going to use this example and I show you exactly how I code these moving trades, which you will see they are on SP500. So let us go into the inside and you can see I have a lot of entries here and this is M5. So what I did, make sure to stay with me so that we can understand. So let me go to the daily time frame or H4 time frame. So you can see that the market have been moving to the downside. That is what a sell side. Are you getting the point? So how did I came and I catch this move? So what I did, I went to the H1. So when you come to H1, let me do like this and then you understand everything. Let me hide the positions. So when you come here to the H1, you can see that the market moved very well like this. Let me some arrow. So you can see that the market, it has come from upward, making the lower lows, lower highs, lower low, and finally it breaks this. Here we had a massive change of character. So remember we swept down and then we swept up. So this confirms that now the market is going to go up. When it comes this side, we have to buy and we go up. But you can see that here we had also another shift by moving with what? By continuing with the trend. You can see that we have here high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low, and then the market shifts, breaks all of these, and we have this change of character, and then we break this structure, which confirms that we are still going down. So when you come to the 30 minutes, you can see this is what we are having. So you can see here very well that the market, what it did when it was moving up, making the high and the lows very well, and then start moving down. Here we have a change of character, and then we have this break of the structure. So when this happened, I have to identify the extreme zone, guy. What is at the extreme zone? Those are the extreme order blocks from which caused the movement from this high to downwards. Are you getting the point? You can see that we had a low, we had a high, we had a low, we had a high, we had a low. So I couldn't mind about these ones because these are what our key levels, which are just in between of the market, and these are just decision key levels, even though they have a demand, and you can see they have all of them get filled. Are you getting the point? So after seeing this, I had to know that the market, we have to come back at this area. So if we can come to 15 minutes, you can see that how the market did very well. Remember, I marked my order block in H1. Are you getting the point? Let me take you back to the H1. You can see that I had this last buying candle, and then the market started dropping down. So I highlighted from its week to the its week, upside week and upside down. Then I accelerate in to the future. So what I have to do, this is my point of interest. Are you getting the point? This point of interest. So I have to wait the market to come back to this order block, and I see how it will react. If it is to move upward, it will just bypass. If it is to come down, it will show something. What I'm going to share it with you. So this is the H1 order block. Are you getting the point? So, and you can see I marked very well my change of characters, and I will bring them back again. So you can see I marked here my change of characters and the break of the structure, which to guide me and to show me that the market is continuing going down. I get in the point. So if we come here to minute 15, you can see that the market when it comes back in, but inside of this H1 order block, we have what we can call an imbalance or insufficiency point, which means the market have to come back and fill them. If you can see very well, when I do like this, you can see around this area here. Let me bring my pen. Where is it? Yes, here. Alright guys, you can see that here M15, if I do like this, you can see that here when the market moved from up with big move from here to here, it just left here this candle. It becomes a bearish engulfing. When this bearish engulfing was forming inside inside of our H1 order block, you can see the market come back to make a retest of this, but it didn't fulfill this area. That's why I marked this candle here, it's weak, and I marked this candle here, it's weak. So this one becomes what we can call a favorable gap, or what we can call insufficiency. Are you getting the point? So there is efficiency and insufficiency, so which means we have to look at this insufficiency. So if we can see that in the future, after identifying that, we will have to wait the market to come back here to insufficiency. So if we come back to, if we go to minute 5 here, you can see that the market came very well and tapped to that favorable gap, or what we can call insufficiency. Are you getting the point? So when you come to minute 1, now we have to see this in minute 1. When the market hits there to H1 order block, we have to go to minute 1. When we came to minute 1, you can see what happened. Are you getting the point? Let me remove this box if it is possible. Yes, now you can see that when the market, after tapping inside of this H1 order block down, the market started moving. Are you getting the point? It came and it tapped, you can see, and it filled this insufficiency what we marked. You see this one and that. If you can put here you are pending orders to sell, you can see that this was a strong sniper entry. But for more confirmation, you don't need to put here your entry. You have to wait the market, sit inside of this order block, and you start watching how it behaves. So we have to replicate the formula what we used on high time frame. Now we bring it here to minute 1 to watch the market. Now we can see that the market, when it was coming here, we have been moving. Let me do like this. I delete this. So we can see we came when we're making the high, making the low, making the high, and then we tapped in. So this is the low caused this move and to break this structure here. Are you getting the point? So that's why it becomes this our major swing low in in minute 1. So we consider that. So what we have to do to mark it, are you getting the point? After we mark it like this, you can see like that way, we mark like that way. So we have to wait to see that the market come and break it. You can see very well, you can see very well when the market came and break this low here, that shows us that now it's the time the market is going to start dropping. Remember, we are looking for the sell. So after that market showing us, we have to do the same thing. We look this buy to sell, we look at the order block of this buy to sell, and then we wait the market to come and fill it. So we also highlight it like this. Are you getting the point? Like that way, from its wick to the bottom, like that, buy to sell, because this is the last candle which moved up as a buy and then ended it's a sell, which is a buy to sell. This is our M1 order block. We do like that, and then we wait. Are you getting the point? Now you can see that the market came very well here after breaking this structure, come, and then we do what? We fill this order block. After filling order block, you can see that now it's our time to execute. So here we have to use the execution market style, because you will be watching the market. You can see when it tapped in, we wait to start seeing the ready candles are getting print. So you can see here the market shows us the rejection, and then another confirmation candle and another next candle. This is a minute one. You can start executing. So if you have got your order block in a daily or in a weekly, so you can be doing this to refine your entries in H1. If you got the order block in a daily, if you got it in weekly, you have to use H4 so to be finalizing, which means your H4 is going to be your entry. So you can see now I started stacking my entry at around here. I didn't put here the pending orders so the market can come and mitigate, because I was watching this market. You can see all of these are confirmations, so you execute here. After executing, now it's the time to scale in. Are you getting the point? Now the market started moving. When it reached about here, I added another entry. So when it breaks this structure, this minute one candle, if it closed here, so I had to execute. I executed. Are you getting the point? So it started moving. Let me bring the entries and you see them, guys. Orders and plus history and plus positions, you can see. So do you see everything, guys? What I have been telling you, here executed, and here executed, and there executed. Are you getting the point? You can see how the market behaves. So I was not in the market when it reached here. I left it to run very well. So I was supposed also to add another entry here if it breaks this area. You can see I was marking these key zones. If the market breaks them, so I stack another entry. Are you getting the point? Because the market now it's going down. There is no point of it will come back upward. No, it have to keep going down. So when it breaks any kind zone, you have to stack another entry. So here I didn't stack any entry because I was off from the phone doing something. Let me go to minute 5 and you see. So this was an M5 zone here. Let me delete this. You see, so break here, you're supposed to see the candle pattern here, the candle momentum come and retest. After retest, here you can add another entries. Are you getting the point? Stop loss can put it here. Are you getting the point? And then you keep moving like that, scaling. Now here also I was illustrating that if it breaks this, and then I could do what? I add another entry. Let me delete these ones. So if it breaks this area here, I will add them. Are you getting the point? But now it's going to, market is going to close, and now there is no another momentum push to the downwards. So if it breaks here, if it breaks there, I have to add more entries. Are you getting the point? Let me turn this to black. So if the market breaks that area, so I will add another more entries. You can come like that looking for the specific kill zone. So this is going to be my TP. So if you can come to H1, we come back to H1, you can see that when the market reach exactly here, it will be the overall TP are over. Are you getting the point? So if to continue down, just it will be a swing trade. I placed this stop sell stops, because I know this SP 500 it runs so much. So because of the liquidity, because of the night, there is no liquidity at this time. The market is slowing, it have not moved. But if we can say, if we can do like this, you can see if this move, it's just 1 hour, by which means this move could be also runs speed up to this area here, and then bypass all of this. Are you getting the point? Because here there is some stop losses which are holding these ones. There is a lot of buyers, and this market have to come and take them out. So because now the market, it is going to be the middle of the night, because we are remaining only with 3 minutes to reach the midnight. Now the Asian session is going to start here. Are you getting the point? So which means
there will be a lot of arranging here. Now if we can come to this side, you can see, let me show you something here. Let me come back to minute 15 and here show you something that which is going to start happening right now after hitting the midnight. So this is what is going to happen. Do you see? This is all of the midnight arranging. Let me do like this ahead. Do you see? Market, it ranges, and when the day opens, the market keep ranging up to 5 a.m. 5 a.m. the market starts becoming crazy. You see, they take this low, which means this low here, it is the same as this today. Are you getting the point? So here is going to market now is going to start behaving. You can see it have started slowly creating the same range like this, which means tomorrow they have to take this low here. Are you getting the point? So it's me to hold, we take this, or I can close everything. Are you getting the point? So that's all what I have for you today. If you have learned something from this video, go on and hit that subscribe button so that you don't need to miss any upcoming content which will be amazing like this. Are you getting the point? And if you want really to be mastering more skills about forex trading, keep watching that popping up next video.